You wanted me to recreate this traditional eye look by Deepika Padukone. So if you're interested and you're really keen to learn, let's get started with today's video. To start off this tutorial, we're going to be filling our eyebrows, and I'm using the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown. To keep the brows in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. Next, I'm using the Kosas Revealer Concealer and I'm going to be patting this all over the eyelids. This is just to even out any discoloration. Now with the Pat McGrath Permagel Eye Pencil in the shade Black Coffee, let's apply that closest to the lash line. And now with the A7 brush from Morphe, let's smudge that out. You can use any pencil brush that you have at home. Starting off with this brown shade, let's apply that with a E42 brush on what we just smudged out. We are deepening out the shade over here and we are also blending it out into the skin tone. You can see how soft it is becoming, and you can also use your fingers to blend it out even more. With the same shade, let's blend that into the skin. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. With the Jessup E05 brush, which is a bit more precise, tap into the black shade and set the previous eyeliner. We are deepening out the eyeliner here. And you can blend it out with a fluffy brush. Keep it soft. And for shimmer, we're going to be using this beautiful light bronzy shade, and we're going to be tapping this on the eyelid. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. Back into the brown shade, we're going to be blending this off very softly into the eyeliner. To add that pop of shimmer, we are going to be using the Refer O2 brush, and we're going to be tapping this only on the center of the eyelid. Now using this shade, we're going to be applying it to the bottom lash line. And to apply it a bit more precisely, we're going to be using a flatter brush at the front of the eye for the shimmer. Now with the Maybelline Tattoo Liner, apply that on the waterline. And now with the more precise brush, apply the black shade at the outer edge of the eye and towards the inner corner too. This is how your eyes will look. Go ahead and curl your lashes. And with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, apply that on the upper lashes and on your bottom lashes too. And there you go guys, this is the most versatile Deepika Padukone look. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.